Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will discuss the rest of the questions of exercise 1.4 of real numbers. So let's start. Now we will start with question number 2. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question 1 which have terminating decimal expansion. So in question number 1, part 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9, they have decimal expansion. So we will only find out the decimal expansion of these numbers. Okay. So the first question, that is 13 upon 3125. We will solve this one first. So this is an easy trick is used here. How to find out the decimal expansion 13, and when we have taken out the prime factorization of 3125, we know that this was 5 to the power 5. So 5 to the power 5, and you know, if we will multiply this number by 2 to the power 5 with the same power, then what will happen? We will get a 0 denominator, like 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. Okay. So in the same way, if we are multiplying 2 to the power 5 in the denominator, you have to multiply same number in the denominator. So 13 into 2 to the power 5, that is equal to 13 into 32, and 5 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5, it means it is 10 to the power 5. So this is equal to 416 upon 10 to the power 5, means with 5 zeros. If it is with 5 zeros, then when we will put the decimal point, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 2. So after 0, 2 more zeros, and 4, 1, 6. So this is your answer. Okay. In the same way, when we will solve the second part, 17 upon 8. So 17 upon 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Again, we have to change this number as zeros. Okay. So number with zeros when we will write. So this number can be multiplied with 5 to the power 3. So if we will multiply denominator with 5 to the power 3, then multiply in the numerator also 5 to the power 3. So 17 into 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125, and here in the denominator 2 into 5, 10, so 10 to the power 3. So 17 into 125 is equal to 2125 divided by 10 to the power 3, that is equal to 1000. So you can easily convert 1, 2, 3. After 3 from the right hand side you will put the decimal. So your answer is 2.125. Okay. In the same way, we will take out 15 upon 1600, and 15 and 1600 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into, that is 100. 100 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Again, if we will write this number, 15 upon 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. So because both the powers are different, we have to make both the powers same. So to make the power same, we have to multiply this number by 5 to the power 4. So if you will multiply 5 to the power 4 in the denominator, you have to multiply 5 to the power 4 in the numerator also. So this is equal to 9375 divided by how many zeros? 5 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 6. It means 10 to the power 6. This is equal to 9375 10 to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 4 digit you will put decimal, but 2 more zeros are there. So your answer is 0.00937. Now part number 6, that is 23 upon 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. So when we will write 23 upon 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2, again here the power of both the numbers are different. So that is why to make it equal, what we have to do, 23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2, again 5 to the power 1. So that 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. So you have to multiply this number also by 5 to the power 1 or 5. So this is equal to 115, and this will change into 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. This is equal to 115 upon 10 to the power 3 and 115 upon 1000. Now this can be written as 0.115. Okay. Now next part is 6 upon 15. Again 6 upon 15, there are common factors between them. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. You can write it as 2 upon 5, and now this can be changed into 2 into 2, because if we will multiply 5 into 2, it will change into 0 numbers like 10. So this is equal to 4 upon 10, and the answer is 0.4. And the last part, 35 upon 50. Again there are some common factors. So 5 7s are, 5 10s are. So directly you can write, you don't have to multiply anything because 0 numbers 10 is here. So the answer is 0.7. So in this way you can use these small tricks to find out all the parts easily. Now I will give you some tricks related to the previous question number 1 and 2. After how many digits the decimal expansion of the following numbers will terminate? For example, if you will take two questions from example 2. Okay. So I have taken 6th part and 8th part, and we have already solved these questions. Now we have to find out after how many digits this number or this division will terminate. Means after decimal point you will get how many digits to get your remainder 0. Okay. So if you will check this number 23 and divided by 2 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. So here you have to only check the denominator part, not the numerator part. Okay. In the denominator part, both 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2 are given. That is why it is a terminating decimal. But here what you have to do, you have to check the highest power of any of the number, either of 2 or 5. So here the highest power of 2 is 3, because in case of 5 the power is 2. So 2 to the power 3 is bigger. So after decimal point you will get 3 digit to terminate. It means when you will divide these two numbers, you will get a answer, and that is equal to, in previous question number 2, when we have solved, we got the answer as 0.115. Means to check this answer, you can use this trick whether your answer coming is correct or not. In the same way, if we will solve this question, this first cancel this one, 3 2s and 3 5s. So it is coming 2 upon 5. Only 5 is given, 2 is not given. So what is the power of 5? Power of 5 is 1. So after one digit, it will terminate. So if you will find out the answer for this question, your answer is 0.4. So 0.4 means after decimal point only one digit is there. After that you will get the remainder 0. So from the power of either 2 or 5, which has the highest power, from there you can easily find out whether your answer is right or wrong. Last part, that is 17 upon 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 4. So if you will check this number, what is the highest power? Highest power is the power of 5, that is 4. So it will terminate after 4 digit to terminate. It means the remainder will come 0 after 4 digit. And here your answer is 0.0034. Okay, so try these tricks to find out and check whether your divisions are correct or not. Question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form P upon Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? Okay, so the first number given here, can you say whether it is a rational or irrational? Yes, it is a rational number because we can write this number in the form of P upon Q. How to write this number in the form of P upon Q? Write down 43, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for decimal, you will write 1. And after that 8 digits are there, then 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means this number is a rational number and can be written in the form of P upon Q. Now the last part is, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? If you will see this number, this is a multiple of 2 and 5. Okay, so this can also be written as 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and because 8 zeros are there, so it is 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 8. It means in the denominator it has both 2 and 5. That is why they are terminating and also a rational number. In the second case, 0.120, 1200, 12000 and 120000 and so on. Because it is never ending number, so it is an irrational number. So irrational numbers can't be written in the form of P upon Q. We can't write irrational number in the form of P upon Q. So we can't say what is the denominator. Okay, and denominator can't be in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. According to the rule, we can't express this number in this form, 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. The last number, and here in the last number there is a bar. So what is the meaning of this bar? Meaning of this bar is these numbers are repeating again and again. It means it is a rational number. Why it is a rational number? Because these numbers are repeating as well as they are terminating. They are non-terminating. These rational numbers are non-terminating because they are repeating. Okay, so non-terminating but repeating. Repeat rational number, non-terminating but repeating. So this can also be written in the form of P upon Q. And how to write this number in the form of P upon Q? Again the same number is given, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there is another trick for this that we will discuss later on. But if there is a bar on the number, just count up on how many numbers the bar is given. Because it is written 1 to 9, it means 9 digits are under the bar. Okay, so write 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, this is a rational number. And here, because this number is neither in the power of 2 nor in the power of 5, it means it is definitely another number along with some other prime factors. So this is not in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, but there are some other factors which are present here in this case. So it is a non-terminating rational number. अगर आपको मेरा आज का ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, बिकॉज यू विल गेट ट्रिकी इजी सॉल्यूशंस ऑन एवरी मंडे एंड थर्सडे. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.